All right, so we're asked to convert a percent to a decimal or a decimal to a percent. And so the simple thing to know here is, and this is a strange thing for me to say, but you can think about it like butt cheeks. You got two butt cheeks, you got to move the decimal place two butt cheeks to turn it into a percent or a decimal. And we are either pushing the decimal to the right or to the left, depending. And so let's talk about why. So 8.65%. And when I write the percent symbol, I like to do it like this because when I see this, it just is it's a helpful reminder to me that there's two decimals there, meaning that, and that helps me remember that I need to move the decimal two places to turn it into a decimal. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that decimal back in there, and I'm going to put that decimal back in there. So 1, 2, just like butt cheeks, like I mentioned a moment ago. I put two decimal places back in. I end up with 0.0865. And so this percent symbol here helps me remember put two decimal places back in, pushing the decimal to the left, 0.0865. And then we've got 0.032. We want to turn that into a percent, so I need to push the decimal two places to the right to give me the two dots. For my percent symbol, I need to push the decimal that way. So 1, 2, we get 3.2%. Okay, next we have 5.34%. Remembering that the percent symbol helps me remember that I got to push those decimals back into the left. And so the butt cheeks thing, 1, 2, right there, I get 0.0534 as a decimal. Then 0.027 turned into a percent. I need the two decimal places for my percent over there. So to the right with it, 1, 2, 2.7%. And 126% as a decimal. Remember, we got to push those decimal points back into it. So two places to the left, 1, 2, we get 1.26. Then 0.004 as a percent. We need the two decimal places to make our thing. So to the right with it, 1, 2, we get 0.4%. And one more. 0.9 as a percentage. Remember, we need the decimal place to move two places to the right to create that symbol. 1, 2. So we get 90%. 57.6%. We're going to be pushing those decimal places back into this number to the left. So 1, 2. We get 0.576 as our decimal equivalent. 0.576. All right, that's it for that one.